You know, every once in a while, it takes a little bit longer to get some things in the mail. But, no matter what, they'll eventually come. That's what I always believe. Never harp on anybody, say, hurry up and send it. But I'm always excited to get PEZ items in the mail. And I'm very excited to get this PEZ item in the mail, because I have no clue what it is. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Yes, I'm struggling with tape on the PEZ book channel. Come on. And that thing's pretty sharp. I mean, I should not be having this problem. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. Any and everything down below. I'm going to have to start getting a chainsaw. I need the Tape Destroyer 2000! Or do we move to 3000 now? You have got to be joking me. All right, one side is done. This is Gorilla Tape. Oh. Oh, come on. If it's killing you watching it, it's killing me doing this. I don't believe it. Oh, this over here. This Joker. Oh. And that's how you open a box, folks. All right. Let's see. Is that everything in the box? That's everything in the box. Set that over there. All right. There's a bag. There's no tape on the bag. Do like that. All right. I got me some pigs. But I finally got my panda. My trade is complete. Yes. That's what I needed. I needed the panda, and if you look, it's the one with the thin ears. Because there's a couple different variations. And of course, some pigs. Hey, you can't go wrong with some pigs. Oh, wait, there's a special note. Hey, and more tape. And more tape. It's killing me with the tape, folks. Seriously. It's not even funny anymore. Okay, maybe it is. Alright, what did I get? More tape. Ah! Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Okay, I have a note. And if you look, it is a panda decal. Hey, it's a no foot. Neato. Here are the steps. Oh, okay, so I can go ahead and put it on different things. Oh, cool. I can apply it to my vehicle, my window, a door. That is really cool. That's awesome. And that is why we wait. Because, you know, patience, it's not only a virtue, but, yeah. If you gotta have it now, gotta have it now, gotta have it now, it's not as cool. But I got my panda! Yeah! So until next time, thank you.